Yo, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It is I, Smirk, and this review is going to be a little different because as you can see, it's been raining in Cape Town day after day after day. So I can't shoot my videos as usual. I went to get a stand to shoot like this. And yeah, let me tell you, because I am currently Benekan, the Audi A3 Sedan 35 TFSI Black Edition. Just like usual, just like how I always do it, I'll tell you everything you need to know. Exterior, interior, how it drives, and everything in between. So, yes sir, let's lock in.
So fresh, so clean. Big dreams, man, what you mean?
It's Smirk.
People just aren't buying sedans anymore, hey? Like sedans, they have lost their thing. People just want SUVs, bakkies, compact SUVs, everything except a sedan. And yeah, man, people just like the raised ride height you get in all these other cars. People don't like really being this low. And in this Audi, trust me, you will be on the floor. Let me tell you about this gorgeous exterior. So this Audi A3 comes standard with the S-Line package because this is the black edition. Gives you all the black elements and all these nice things that make it look as menacing as it is. Very interesting to look at. Very, very good to look at. It's coated in Navara metallic blue, which looks good. It looks nice. It looks like, yeah, it's clean. Up front, you get a blacked out grille, blacked out Audi badge. The black edition really stands out. You can tell that this is not a normal Audi. Your very first glance, you'd be like, okay, which one is this one? If you don't know cars, you might think it's an S3 or something like that, but that's not the case. You do get full LEDs all around the car and daytime running lights in the front, which there's just something. Audi lights, mwah, beautiful. Coming to the side, you get 18-inch 5-spoke Y-style wheels. Yo, these rims clean. They also add something to it because on the side you also get the black mirrors, black side skirt, and I don't know the motoring term for it or scientific term, but like on the side of the doors, the car basically has more hips. What are those things? Like it curves out. Ah man, it just looks nice. It gives it a nice look. Curves. It has curves. I think we'll call it curves for this review. We'll just call it curves. But the curves look stunning. Coming to the rear, that's when you see more blacked out badging, a blacked out Audi badge, a blacked out A3 badge. You don't see the TFSI, it's been debadged. It still looks nice. And typical Audi lights in the rear with sequential turning signals, or as I call them, shas. Because when you turn, you know what they do? They go sha. Everyone, you can be driving. Bro, someone can come in front of you while you're driving and just get in front of you in a tight spot. As soon as they better sha, you'll be like, no, it's fine. It's fine. The overall styling is just magnificent. It looks gorgeous. It looks menacing, aggressive. The bonnet also has power domes on it that give it that aggressive look. So there are those power domes on the bonnet, and then on top of that, there are also there's the blacked out styling. No, it makes it look. It looks really good. It looks really good. Let me know what you think about the way it looks in the comments. But I think it's a banger. Banger. Stepping inside, it's a very sophisticated and premium feel. You get this beautiful flat bottom steering wheel with the S line badge on it, just to remind you again that it's not the normal one. Multifunctional steering wheel. Your adaptive cruise control is here under the indicator. You get a stalk for it. That does feel quite flimsy. It feels quite cheap, I won't lie. But you get that. And the dashboard just has this, it's a premium dashboard, premium feel to it. Silver finishes. It not only looks good, but it feels good and like very well put together. At the center here, it's a 10.1 inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Does look very nice. It looks very neat. Easy to use as well. It also has the Audi sound system, which is banging. When I saw Audi sound system, I was like, they didn't give us any whatever. I thought it was going to be quite lackluster, but that's not the case. It's a proper sound. These seats hug your body. If you want some affection, just get yourself the Audi A3 Black Edition. The seats will hug you if no one wants to hug you. But yeah, the seats are very comfortable. You also get the S line embroidered on it, and they look very good. The rear, it's split folding seats as well. Very comfortable. You get a sunroof. It does the final thing to it. And when you're driving with it open, you look like a typical Audi brew. But it looks very nice. The pedals, and this is like small detail, but the pedals are made out of stainless steel, and they just feel so good to step on. When you step on the pedals, you're like, imoto le, imoto. It's very nice, very premium. And obviously, if it's premium, it's going to come with a premium price tag. But before we get to the price tag, let's get to the price tag. Ain't like the A3, the Black Edition, it will cost you 806,000 rands. But it, like I said, it does come standard with all those things like the S-Line package, the Black package. Let me tell you something very irritating though. You know what this thing, first of all, what I don't, here are some things that I don't like. Let me adjust my seats and show you, because what do you mean I'm manually adjusting my seats? What do you mean? No, like, explain to me. What do you mean these seats are manually adjustable? Like all of, come on, really? And then there is no keyless entry. So it's not like you still have to turn the key in here, but there's no keyless entry. So every time you get to the car, you're going to have to take your key out and actually unlock it. There's no that thing of looking all slick and just putting your hand there, it opens. But nah. You know what's nice? When they ask you, how do you adjust your seat? Then you're like, no, just push that button. Now they ask you, how do you adjust your seat? And then you tell them, nah, just... Audi. And lastly, what I also do not like and what I was very disappointed. This is up there. I was very disappointed in this. And that is the fact that it does not come standard with a reverse camera. There's no reverse camera in here. Yes, there are all-round parking sensors, but no reverse camera. If you love a raised ride height, this is not for you. If you love the sporty feel like of a car, it might not be a sporty car, but if you like just feeling like you're in a sporty car just so that you can aspire to have money to buy the S3 or RS3, this is a good thing. You feel like you're on the ground. It's like you're in a sports car. You're lowered when you're sitting and driving this, but it's dynamic. It's a very dynamic, engaging car to drive. The throttle response is not as responsive. You have 110 kilowatts, 250 Newton meters of torque. It won't jump and like just give you that burst. but it's responsive enough. The power is enough to make you be like, okay. There's a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. It drives good. The suspension is soft enough that you will always be comfortable. If you're doing your school run, you have people in the back, the car carries its weight very well. It's not too firm on the road. It's not too firm at all. And that's what I like about it. And that's why I said it's a very good daily, because you'll just be very comfortable. You're driving a premium car on the roads. You're going to get a lot of respect. This car has been not getting eyes only, but the typical nods, you see those type of things. So it does have a lot of street cred. It's an Audi at the end of the day. So you are also buying into the brand, buying into the badge, and you will be very happy driving this. I've been enjoying it. The 8-speed is Audi's Tiptronic. Joe, beautiful, marvelous. And if you want to change the gears on the pedal shifters on the steering wheel, responsive as well. But no need to really be doing that, because the car got you. It's like, bro, relax. I think it's about 17K to option this sunroof, hey? So the fact that if you get a black edition, you're saving yourself 17,000, because you don't have to take out 17K to spec it in a normal one. It looks good. It drives good. They just might have packaged it very well, because we do get everything you want in a car. Good engine, it's reliable, it will take you far. You don't have to worry about a lot of things. So I feel they are cooking. They gave us a really nice package. But yeah, that's it from me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about Audi in general. What you think about the black edition. Would you get it? Let me know. Peace.
So fresh, so clean. Said I'm with a